Today, I am in Castle Rock, Colorado at the Macanta neighborhood. Now, I'm filming in my car because it's so loud with new construction out there. But we are going to go check out some model homes today and then stick around at the end because I want to show you the clubhouse. It is spectacular. So stick around for that treat as well. Now, let's go on in and take a look around. you for touring this Georgetown floor plan here in the Macanta neighborhood in Castle Rock, Colorado. Now this home is about 2,350 square feet total. List price or base price right now in December 2023, base price is $663,000 for this floor plan. Now this home is 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, plus it has the study and it has a 3-car tandem garage. So I know it looks like 2-car, but it is actually 3. There's one section that is 2 cars deep. So it's a 3-car garage. Now this neighborhood in Macanta, it is amazing. Once it's completely built, they're gonna have 900 to 1,000 homes out here, and they have a big rec center. Now the rec center has a pool and it has a state-of-the-art gym facility in it. Now they're gonna have the classes and the clubs and all of those kind of things that's gonna come once this community is being built out more. We're only in phase 2 right now. Phase 1, there is still properties available if you're interested in a quicker move in. Now, if you want more information about what it's like living in Castle Rock, we'll go ahead and check out this video right here. I'm Kathy Hansen, a local area realtor, and I will see you right over here on the next video.